The multi-headed attention layer in the decoder block receives inputs from both the encoder block and the masked multi-head attention layer. In addition to self-attention, the decoder's multi-head attention also calculates attention scores between the current output token and the encoder outputs. This step helps the model determine which parts of the input sequence are relevant when generating the next token for the output. The encoder outputs are weighted by these attention scores to create a context vector. This context vector represents the relevant information from the input sequence that should be considered when generating the current output token. The feed-forward layer again just makes the output more digestible for the next step in the process. The linear layer is another feed-forward neural network used again to manipulate the output into a useful format. And the softmax layer transforms the output into a probability distribution. This probability distribution is then used to predict the next word in the output sequence. The whole process of this decoder block is repeated for each token in the output sequence, with the previously generated tokens being included as input for each subsequent step. So there you have it. You now have a good overview of how transformer models work, and we are ready to start using these models.